Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amirul Luman bin Azwan, and today on this Peridua Risk Day, me and my team will discuss on an important topic, which is risk. So in this video, we will be focusing on the department that is most exposed to risk, which is the Peridua assembly line worker who assemble cars. Assembly line worker is a worker assigned to an assembly line in a factory to fabricate parts and join them together to make a finished product. They employ different type of tools and heavy machinery. This makes them encounter many different type of hazards during the job. Assembly line workers are commonly exposed to injuries which resulting into permanent injury such as amputation. If not covered by any insurance, workers are prone to end up with debt due to medical expenses. And also due to permanent injury, workers are now out of jobs and need to begin searching for another job. So communication between employee and employers are important to reduce risk as much as possible.
There are many risks faced by the assembly workers while doing their job. Firstly, they are at risk of being exposed to chemicals or toxins which can make them sick over time and can lead to serious illness, including cancer. In addition, contact with machineries can result in a crushing injury that has a serious and lasting impact. Assemblers can also be injured when equipment or parts fall on them. Next, factory floors can be covered in oil, grease, or other slippery substances that are needed to keep machinery running or assemble products. Workers could fall on the same level as a result of slippery floors, cracked or uneven walkways, and other debris and hazards. Assemblers could also fall from a higher elevation to a lower one when performing work. Lastly, factories and industrial environments where assemblers work may be prone to fire or explosion as a result of flammable and dangerous equipment and raw materials used in their work. These injuries on the assembly line can be devastating, even resulting in death. Workers can also experience serious and life-changing injuries as well.
Next is risk communication. There are three importance of effective communication. Firstly is to meet the target production. Secondly is to meet safety goals. And finally, to ensure the quality of the product. Risk communication approach. The suggested risk communication approach for this company is to use the stakeholders hearing approach. This kind of approach is to gather the workers' opinion through hearings where both company and workers can understand the risk issues from both sides. The company can know the risk issues faced by the workers, and the workers know the risk issues faced by the management. This approach seeks to understand each other's point of view on risk issues and the possibility of they to be affected in any ways. And finally, mutual understanding of issues will ensure effective communication in the future.
In any case, broader management must ensure that their staff and managers are familiar with the working decisions and processes which have been implemented, as well as why they have been applied. They must be informed of the ramifications for them as well as any necessary actions. The misconceptions, the rumors, poor motivation, and weak company performance can all be the outcome of inadequate or slow information communication. This is because employees have a constitutional right to receive information of plans, to reorganize or amend their working circumstances. Therefore, this can result in legal infraction.
In a conclusion, risk management role in a company is what keeps the company competitive and visible to public eye by promoting a happy working environment, ensuring it complies to the organization, promoting strong corporate values, and setting the tone for dealing a high-profile crisis. The company requires to have the ability to effectively share thoughts and information about the danger associated with a particular risk. Effective risk communication will help the company to avoid a variety of difficulties from legal to property damage and losses. Furthermore, risk communication allows managers and team members to assess the likelihood of an event occurring and the repercussion that may result after. It also allows the professionals to differentiate between the dangers and hazards that exist in a certain region in the future ahead. That is all from us. Thank you.